with Adriano.
Oh yeah.
Lifting the bike.
Yep.
Gonna install a 6-inch SuperATV lift. That's it. It's not gonna be a baby bike anymore.
No more.
Just finished disassembling the stock parts. Getting ready to install the lift. Started raining a bit. That is looking good. Maui, you helping out or what? So we just finished the front of the bike. Gonna finish the rear tomorrow. What do you think, Adrian?
I love it. It's gonna be good. Can't wait. Can't wait to ride.
Looks good. It's good clearance, good width. Ahora sí.
Oh man.
Day 2. We're gonna install the rear of the lift. We already did the front. Looks good. Well, it looks wide. We gotta fix the steering.
Yep.
So we finished the lift. We're doing some tweaking. Gotta bleed the brakes in the back. Gotta fix some steering still. But it looks good. It's a 570 SuperATV 6-inch lift. What are you gonna put on it, bro? 40s?
35s. 35s.
35s.
Yep.
Wants to buy clutches. Yeah, should be good. Finish the bike. We're gonna go test drive it. Wait, what's out there?